So inevitably, when you start to scroll around on your Fire Stick, sometimes you accidentally come across, or you click on the, or you just move past the, first in this instance, the Hannah logo, and it starts to play the trailer for it. So if you want to shut those functions off, so you don't hear any video or audio when you start up your Fire Stick and start moving around, I can show you how to disconnect or just shut those things off entirely. All right, so firstly, all we need to do is move over to settings. So let's go over to settings. When you get there, you can go down, and what we want to do is we then want to move over to preferences. So let's move to preferences and select that option. Featured content, and we're going to select off for both the video and audio. And there it is. So you can reset your stick, and you won't have any more ads start to play at the beginning of your viewing choices.